Rip Current Media, in association with Desert Island Bodie, presents An Organized Life. Overlooked in many lives, being organized can lower stress and raise self-worth. Lost keys, misplaced paperwork, forgotten deadlines all wear and tear on peace of mind and confidence. The calendar is at the heart of being organized. Email programs have calendar functions that are invaluable. Birthdays, work meetings, bill due dates with reminders, make sure promises are kept. Use the weekly or yearly repeats to make sure you are on your game as time goes by. Leaving the notice emails in your inbox can serve as a follow-up reminder that gets deleted only when the task is complete. The humble file box is another core organizing tool. Paper still has its place. Buy and mark manila envelopes for each topic. To the extent possible, substitute the paper file folders with digital file folders in your email software suite. In the work world, having important emails at your fingertips can save embarrassment and maybe your job itself. In banking, use your online bill pay to automate as many regular payments as you can. If you are not clear on how to manage a checkbook, YouTube can help with this. It is an essential skill. Organize your living space. For most people, this means throwing away a lot of stuff. Possessions can weigh us down. Clearing out closets is very freeing. Do several passes. Be ruthless. If you have a car, do the same for it. Once things are greatly reduced, find a good place for the remaining. Use containers, see-through bags to group similar objects. Bite off one area at a time. Finish. Move on. Cleaned up living space should need only modest maintenance. The biggest threat is everything out there that is only a few clicks away. Remind yourself how wasteful such purchases often are. Something as simple as making your bed can give a great boost to a clutter-free life. Handle things once means clothes come off and are put right into their proper place. This rule is useful in many situations, be it sorting mail or doing the dishes. Have a system for capturing ideas or items that need attention, be it digital or a pocket notebook. Be sure to write down these thoughts so that they can be prioritized at a more convenient time. Most time management systems suggest you make lists daily. These systems have you commit to big goals and then create daily tasks that take you to them. This is very sensible and effective. However, that does not mean you cannot use such techniques to remind yourself to call an old friend or have the car tuned up. Just make sure you do focus your first and freshest efforts on those high-value, long-term goals. Learning to commandeer your time can really help your organization. Learn to say no. Learn to excuse yourself when you have nothing to add and need to be focusing on your own tasks. Delegate tasks when permitted and appropriate, especially repetitive and lower value ones. This frees up your attention to think more strategically and creatively about how to improve things further. Those are the basics. Using these techniques day in and day out will bring a more productive and peaceful life.